Well, strong winds have snapped the power supply in Tawang and West Kameng district on Thursday. As per locals at Tawang and Lumbla, power supply has been disrupted for the last 3 days due to strong wind as dozens trees fell on supply lines. At several locations, poles and equipment have been severely damaged, with continued storm also hinders the restoration works. At Dirang and Bomdila, the power department, while taking precautionary measures, cut off the supply since morning to evening. Meanwhile, at Nafra, the storm damaged tree span of 11 kilovolt line between Dibin and Mathor, due to which power supply has been interrupted, affecting several villages.
बहुत जोर से हवा आ रहा है दिरंग में। सभी लाइन को कटा हुआ है फिलहाल के लिए।